Hello friends, my name is Natsha and I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I will tell you how you can create funny memes with the help of AI. That is for free. Here is 2 amazing websites. First, I will tell you how you can earn money by making memes. Create a patch on Facebook or create a channel on the topic of memes on Telegram, WhatsApp, and upload your memes daily. Now let's go to your video. First of all, you should open this website, the link of which I will give in the description of this video. Here you will see many options. For example, here we click on Start Free. Then something like this interface will open. Here you will see many options. We will click on Text to Meme. Now write any topic or text and click Generate. You can see this web AI tool has generated a lot of memes. Now you can customize any meme of your choice and click on Download. Another website is Base Labs. There is a link in the video description below. From there, open this link and finally click on AI Meme Generator. Then an interface like this will open. Now it's time to create some lols. Choose from a variety of popular meme templates and add your own text to create your own meme. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.